See, the first thing is I want to clarify that we have had a draft notification in the public domain. People are considering as if we have finalized the aggregator policy in totality. We have invited for suggestions, for inputs from all stakeholders, whether it is the taxi operators themselves, taxi patrons themselves, taxi drivers themselves, the public at large, and all other people connected with this particular business. Government is fully conscious that most locals run this particular business. But what government is saying, while you run this business, please adopt technology. Go on an app so that we have data on which we can do future planning. We know how many taxis are flying, from which point to which point they travel, from the perspective of security for tourists, security for locals. Also, there is a misconception that these taxis will be meant only for tourists who come here. No, if there are app operated taxis, considering the rates that will be automatically generated, it will be available for the Goan public at large. As if the government is at war with them and they are at war with the government. Simple thing, we are telling adopt technology. No, we are not going to listen. We scrap it. Is this the way? We can always look for a middle path as well, how it is to be done. It is been notified in one way, but it can be subject to maximum changes as per the inputs given by them. But there is no compromise on use of technology. App-based taxis have to come. 90% of the people of Goa want app-based taxis. Why are they ignoring public opinion? And how much the taxi, what is the percentage of the taxi people? You are going to hold the whole population to ransom? ही अक्षरशः दादागिरी झाली. So this is not good for in a democratic functioning.